Hi, Dr. Cornell. This is Franceli again. This is homework 3, chapter 6. It's reading a file program. And so it's a main function that I created. And within this main function, there is a IO error handling code that I implemented. And what the book mentions about exceptions that are more, there's some exceptions that are more avoidable than others. And some of the exceptions as to why you might get an IO error is that, uh, for example, if there's a file that does not exist and the program's trying to open it, so that's when you get a IO error. So I implemented a handler that responds to uh, this type of error. And there's a try at the beginning of the program, and then an accept, which handles the errors by displaying a message. Say down here it says error, unable to open or read file. So that's what happens if the program is crashing and uh, cannot handle what is trying to do. So moving on, here at the beginning of the code, after the try statement here, um, I created a variable which is going to open the sales text file and it will read it. So I'm using the name of the file, and also the mode here is that we'll be reading the file. Then I created a variable that captures the text in each of the lines in the list, and it will remove any white space in those lines. Then I created a numbers list that converts the text strings into floats. And then here I've created a block statement that will handle any exceptions as to the numbers list. Like if, for example, if there's nothing in that list, then the file will display no data found in the file, and then the file will be closed. Then the program continues if there's no error in the number if there's 0 numbers in the file or 0 text converted into floats, then the program continues and sums up the floats here. And then what I did with the average is I rounded, I passed it through an integer function, and then I rounded it, so it actually gives you a rounded average integer for the average. Down here displays the will give you a display of the numbers in the sales text file, the average, and the total sales. And then here again, this is part of the error block. And finally, we close the file, and here we call the main function. So I just want to show you what that looks like. And here we display the numbers in the sales text file, the average of those numbers, and the sum and total sales. And this program should be able to handle any text file. So, and I did not hard code any of the numbers. So again, the program should be able to run any text file and run the program and get the results that we're looking for. Thank you.